The Dinosaur Park at Dubai Garden Glow is one of the main attractions of the park. It features over 100 animatronic dinosaurs, including a T-Rex, a Brachiosaurus, a Triceratops, and a Stegosaurus. The park is designed to resemble a prehistoric forest, with lush greenery and a winding path that takes visitors through the different dinosaur exhibits. The park is designed to take visitors on a journey through time, showcasing the different periods of the Mesozoic era, including the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. Visitors can enjoy a walk through the park, viewing the life-size animatronic dinosaurs that move and roar, making the experience feel like a trip back in time. In addition to the Dinosaur Park, Dubai Garden Glow also has several other attractions, such as a glow park, a magical nights, and an ice park. The Glow Park features several themed zones, each with its own unique light displays, while the Magical Nights is a section that showcases some of the world's most famous landmarks in miniature form, also made of illuminated lights. Overall, the Dinosaur Park is a fun and educational attraction that is perfect for families and dinosaur enthusiasts. In addition to the Dinosaur Park, visitors can also enjoy other attractions within Dubai Garden Glow, such as the Glow Park, Ice Park, and Magic Park. The Dinosaur Park at Dubai Garden Glow is open from November to April and is suitable for visitors of all ages. Tickets can be purchased online or at the entrance gate of the park. Overall, it is a unique and fascinating attraction that combines education and entertainment in an exciting way.